topic is plant. First we will talk about reproduction in plants. How plants reproduce? Plants reproduce in two ways. First, through their seeds, and second, through their body parts like leaves, stem, roots, etc. And first, how plants reproduce from seeds. Plants reproduce many seeds, but not all the seeds reproduce. Some are destroyed by animals, eaten by animals, or destroyed by extreme heat, wind and etc. And some are immature or do not get sufficient amount of heat, air. Then germination in seed, the process by which seeds grow into a baby plant is called germination. Now we will talk about seed dispersal. Seed dispersal, a process by which seed go away from their parents' plant is called seed dispersal. First, we will talk their agents. Their agents are animal, wind, water, etc. First, we will take wind. A plant need a lightweight small body to disperse from wind. Plants like cotton, dandelion are easily dispersed by wind because they have a hair-like structure which are easily carried away by wind. Second, we will talk about dispersing by water. You see a lotus, it is dispersed by a lotus fruit have their spongy body. This help is to disperse by the most plants grow near the beach or any water body is dispersed by water. A coconut. It has a fibrous covering and air trapped between the body. It helps it to float on water and go very away from their parent plants. Then we will talk about explosion. No, first we will talk animals, then explosion. Animals, you see many plants, many animals eat fruits and throw their seed here and there. And some plants like cockleburr, tiger lily have spines and hooks on there. They are stuck in the skin of the animal, and animal do not feel them. And by going some far way, they see and they took the seed dispersed in a baby plant. So the dispersal of seeds are important because if you see that if in your class there are 40 students and more students come and sit with you, there is no sufficient space to sit their children. Just like that only, plants grow to their other seed is can't disperse because a big plant take all the nutrients from soil and a seed can't take. So the seed dispersal is very important for germination. Now we will talk about how plants reproduce from their body parts. First, reproduction from stem. Most new plants reproduce from stem. The stem are cut from their parents' plant, and the stem has buds on them, and from the buds the plants grow. And then we will talk about reproduction from leaf. You see a bryophyllum. That leaf is thick and fleshy, and that have buds on their edges, and the buds form a new plant. Now we will talk root. Some plants like sweet potato, carrot, when they are pulled and replanted, the birds help us to grow a new plant. grow a new plant. Now we will talk some how crops are crops. The growing of plants in large quantity for foods or other useful things are called crops. The practice of growing large quantities of large quantities of crops for foods or other useful things is called agriculture. Crops are three types: food crops, example wheat, rice, etc. Oil producing crops, example soybean, sunflower, etc. And we fiber crop like jute, cotton, etc. Some plants need water, heat, fertile soil, etc. to grow. If there one thing is missing, the seed will not germinate. Some plants have a manner to grow in only one season, like rye, jowar, bajra, peanuts, etc. are grown only summers. So they are called kharif crops. The crops that grow in summers are called kharif crops. And rabi crops like rice, cotton, etc. are called rabi crops. Rabi crops definition: the crops that grow in winters is called rabi crops. Now we will talk how to protect a plant. Plant destroys from pest, insects, examples squirrel, rodents, and they destroy from grazing of cow and etc. So to protect from pest insects, we put insecticide, pesticides on them. Thank you and have a nice